Okay, welcome to Blender, guys. So in this project we're going to be making a lipstick. So what we need to do is let's get rid of the default cube to begin with. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the screencast keys just real quick because we are going to add a cylinder, and then I'm going to open this little box at the bottom here, and we basically want something akin to a hexagon or an octagon. So let's go with 6. I think we got 6. Yeah, we got 6. So let's go ahead and put the screencasting keys back together, and I'm going to go ahead and edit this. So let's go and scale this out. So you're going to need a few of these with this particular project. So let's go G, bring this up. So this is going to be the middle piece right here. We're going to go ahead and let's see. I need... So let's go with Shift D. Sorry. Let's go to object mode first. Shift D. You want one over the top, just here. Scale this out. And I'm going to bring this down. Let's go edit. Take the face right here on the top. Let's press G, bring it down. Let's go ahead and E. And then S for scale. E again, straight up. And then we're going to go E, bring it in. And then this is where the lipstick's going to sit. So let's go ahead and make the outer one as well. Let's go to Shift D. Pull this at the bottom right here. What you're going to want to do with this is going to be like a sleeve. So let's take this top face right here, delete it. Press A. E for extrude. And then we're just going to scale outwards. As such. So you want to just scale down as well. Just to get that nice little comb in. So the next thing that we're going to do, let's go ahead and I'm going to elongate this one actually. Let's take this, just scale this up just ever so slightly. And press G. This one is going to be gold. So let's add new. We'll put this one as gold. We'll type gold in here as well on the materials tab. This one's going to be glass. So let's go new. Principled BSDF, switched out for glass BSDF, and turn down the roughness, you're going to need that. And this one is going to have custom. So let's go, it's going to call this cost for custom. And we're going to have blue. So when we look at the colours that we've just picked out, we can go ahead and use these. Now, if you haven't already, change your render engine from Eevee to Cycles. You want to slide that glass over the blue that you've just made as well. Let's go ahead and just adjust this lighting so you guys can see what's going on. Okay, so we've got this as it is. What we're going to need to do is put a cylinder in the middle. So we've got our nice little blue at the bottom right here, just sticking out. I'm just going to go ahead and just elongate this just ever so slightly. Cylinder. Let's go again. So I'm going to remove the screencast keys just for one moment to put some more stuff on the cylinder. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Add, and we'll go cylinder again. Let's add some more faces to that cylinder, maybe about 67. Let's go G, bring this up, scale it. Elongate it. This is where the makeup's going to come out at the end. So we can go with material of gold with this. You're going to want to go ahead and edit this. Top face. E for extrude. Scale inwards. And then just drop it. So you've got that nice tube going on. So this is how it should look. you right click and shade smooth on that one as well. And then we're going to do the makeup itself. So we could go ahead with a cylinder again. Let's go G, bring this up. S for scale. Let's go edits, select the top face, E for extrude, and then all you want to do is just rotate the top face, and then I'm just going to pull it in a little bit as well to kind of give it that nice little pristine kind of look. And then I'm just going to go ahead and rotate, Control R, and then I'm going to rotate this around and just pull it in just ever so slightly, so we've got that nice little kind of makeup look going on. I'm going to shade that smooth as well. Maybe take the vertices here. Let's go to edit mode. 1 for side view, and then we'll go for X-ray. Let's go ahead and just slim this in just ever so slightly. So we've got something like this. Now we're going to go with a nice blue. And you can turn up the metallic just a little bit. So we've got this nice little blue lipstick. We can go and press G. Just bring it down a little bit. And now, just have this very nice lipstick going on. You can make a lid for this if you want to. For me personally, I think I'm going to go ahead and just take, like, Control D on the glass. And then just flip it upside down, to be honest with you. Just go 180. And then just press G and place it on. I just elongate it just a little bit more as well. So it goes on just like that. You could also add a blue top to that as well. So let's go edit mode. Sorry, I think I'm on the wrong object here. So you want this object at the top. Edit mode. And we'll go for this top face right here. And then we will go to the drop down and then place the custom on top of it. So you just want the custom on one of it. So let's go ahead, just minus that off. For some reason, it's decided to do it like that. So let's go glass material again, plus, and now we do the cost and assign. There we go. And then I'm going to add a little bit of a plane underneath so you guys can see what's going on a bit better. And there we go. There we have it. A little blue lipstick. I don't know why you'd need blue lipstick, or, you know, maybe it's your preference. But yeah, nice little blue kind of lipstick to go on a makeup table if you have a character that wears makeup. Yeah, if you guys like this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.